Are you trying to hit it? Right here? You do that fake ass shit.
Yes, they're different colors on purpose. Young Master Will trying his best. This boy got his beeper music on. Behind the scenes with Flex Master Will, the world-renowned photographer of all time. Juice mode. Well, we're not going to pay attention to that right now. We're going to talk about this beautiful city of San Francisco. Come on down. If you're not from here, check it out. Stay away from weirdos. Don't put the money. Make sure you do the stand by me. How do you find the best composition mode?
For what?
For anything.
That's kind of broad. For what we're doing right now is more like product photography. So we're trying to display the shirt. So you just want to make sure that the shirt's centered, because that's basically the center of attention. And then everything else around like should be blurred out. So that's kind of how I do the product shoots.
I don't know what he said, but whatever Will said is right. Why you gotta make a Gucci face? You don't know? That means a stank face. His face looks like he smells some piss. His face. But that wouldn't be uncommon here from San Francisco. What do those joggers say? Dream aggressively? Be aggressive. Be aggressive. I don't know. Now you know. It's called a fake walk. It's cold-blooded. Got brand new glasses. Right now, what you're seeing is the BPR OGT coming out January 2021.
We're only at that one time where you can see like the road that way and the buildings.
Up there.
Yeah, that's that way.
Are we gonna go up there later?
Yeah. Up there.
I like that.
So on the street, right?
Yeah.
One more we were leaning against the fence.
Yeah, but we were the Get Twisted hoodie.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's like a few streets down.
That's like 3 streets up that way. And then we were in the middle over there last time. And then it'll be cool to maybe just get like maybe a few photos near the new stadium. I don't know how.
Oh, the Warriors?
Yeah, well, just because, you know, the whole hustle up thing.
The colorway?
Yeah, the whole hustle up colorway. Well, it's not a must, but, huh?
So you're too cool to look at the camera?
I didn't know what the fuck he was doing. He always got stuff shoved in my face.
Documenting our journey, Ryan.
Huh?
Documenting our journey.
I like those shades.
Dude, there's Zen, like Zen. The Gin.
Jane?
No, Gin, J-I-N. It's in the mall. It's a glasses spot. It's they're like Chinese, like a Chinese optical. Well, yeah, because they do like prescriptions, but they offered sunglasses that, you know, they're super simple, very basic, but I don't know, like just they have the styles are cool, and I was like, man, hella tight.
At least you got the Valentinos on.
That's the next time. Don't worry about my Valentino glasses.
Don't worry about it. It just makes you look funny.
It makes you look funny.
I don't even want to put them on.
You shouldn't. Hey man, I don't say nothing about you and your gold chain, bro.
Yeah, you do.
All right, you right. So, you want to do something down there or that way?
The street lights, you kind of see them go like that.
Yeah.
try to get that in the background somehow.
Chilling like a villain. Ooh, the lights are weird. Got a little too bright there.
Which one?
Whichever one's cleaner.
Oh shit, this is about to die.
Yeah, actually, that.
Look at that fake ass pose. I know you can hear this. Ooh, what happened?
I did like how those pictures came out though, when did?
Yeah, those, yeah. And those always come out really well, man. Anytime you do that.
Plot twister breaks.
Right here, push it out, and then I'll get the back here.
Inception. Hold on, I'm coming back. Shut up, bro. Say something.
Start recording.
I am. Look at that. The bridge signifies success. Success. S-U-C-C-E-S-S. Suckers for less. Ooh, I'm a rapper now. Not a candy rapper, but a rhapsody rapper. That's what success looks like right there. That's the body of success. Succession. That's optimal dad bod right there. Look at that. He's fake walking with pictures. So it looks like he's really walking, but he's not. Oh, see that? Look at there he goes. He knows what's up. Check me there. Yes. Give him that blue steel. That Vogue. He's going rogue.
All right, Mike, you should get a shot of me.
In the camera?
Huh?
With the camera?
No, with the crew neck.
With the camera?
Yeah.
You in the camera?
Oh, nah.
Or in
With
that?
the camera.
Yeah, with this one.
You hear that, ladies? Will said, shoot your shot.
What?
He said he ready for y'all.
Like, where the fuck did that come from?
The people only heard shoot. So they need context.
Some of y'all might be doing it. Doing a Steph Curry shot, but hey.
That's all right. Hey, faith.
You never know.
You gotta have faith.
You gotta have practice.
Thanks. Single, ready to mingle. He's a young dad of 7. Just kidding, only one.
Of 7?
I said just kidding. He's a woman now.
He's one of them.
First off, you and your son are my kids.
I don't know, man. Dad normally comes pick up the children.
It's all right.
Kind of hard to say you taking care of him when he's picking your ass up.
Look, I lived in a backwards house, okay? Yeah. I picked my dad up. My dad
Oh
would
shit,
charge me.
looking at it in daylight, it is a slight difference in the
Yeah, it is different, but it still goes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, but I very rarely think somebody's gonna wear both of these.
True.
And I mean, it's it's cool to have like a slightly different shade. If you want to use 10, so
Yeah.
Oh, it's 10?
Well, I mean, so you can change it.
It's bigger back there, so you can change.
Yeah, I'll probably change. Thanks! I'm so excited.
What's up?
What's going on? How's it going? Good morning. Beautiful San Francisco.
Exactly.
Yeah.
All right, nothing to say.
Actually, it's nice. It's like, I was expecting it to be like
Hella
freezing
cold.
out here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is cold.
No, this is like,
The last 2 days have been a little warm.
this has been a nice like San Francisco morning though. Like, usually it's freezing out here.
You're a cold piece, bro.
Cold-blooded.
You cold-blooded as hell.
We decided to shoot first with her. How was
Maybe we
we go
walk down.
sweater, shirt, and
Maybe the sweater.
sweater,
Sweater.
and we'll start here. Start here.
We can walk. I think there's more that way, right?
Yeah.
Walk there.
So then yeah, we'll just so just have the sweater. You can do the shirt and have the sweater on with the. And then You can put the sweats on now and then.
My shoe color? I brought black and white or... Is it okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're about to be matching. Hey.
Those are 1.0. And they're hell. And then like you had the leggings on still, right?
Yeah.
They're super soft too.
Yeah.
You can't feel it, but then when you take the leggings off, you're like, damn. It almost doesn't even. I mean, it doesn't feel any different. You know, the end.
I know.
Like it's just very similar. Pocket that is.
Dude,
that
it's so...
shit is hella
It was like,
fun. With the devil.
Hi, are you Satan? Oh yeah, are you 202? Oh, you can tell me.
It was doing that, but I don't know if the battery's back. On today's episode of That's Fucked Up, we're keeping it real, Mike Lucero. We have a wild Ryan and a wild Cristiano, along with a tamed stoner. Let's see if we can catch up to them without startling them. Yeah, yeah. We're on an expedition. They might be spoofed before we get there.
Shoot a Ryan. When you shoot a Ryan, you gotta make minimal movements. You can't move at all, otherwise you're gonna scare them away.
Stop. We're getting too close.
Keep your distance. Keep your
Keep
distance.
your distance, everybody. Shit's getting bright. I'm getting good at this. I wonder how close we can get today, y'all.
Yeah, I was like...
Let's see.
Was it because of like what we're going through right now, or just the move period?
It's just a move. I didn't realize how much stuff we had.
Oh shit!
Okay.
Right for the two of
Okay,
y'all?
there,
No
I
kidding?
know. Let me tell
This
you,
top
we
bun
had
of
loopers,
the ride.
and it took 6 hours.
Don't touch it though, because you'll be sure to get bit.
That was a problem.
Man.
That was a problem.
Not 6 hours and you moved everything. How many moves did you have?
3.
Are we taking it to the? You want to go to that spot now?
I've been taking shots this whole time.
Okay. Elusive.
It is elusive.
Elusive. See me? I don't.
So pretty. These are so comfy. And warm. Yeah.
There's shit everywhere.
It's San Francisco.
It's like
I guarantee
safer
you
to walk in a
that's-
hiking trail with dog shit.
I guarantee you that's human shit.
Oh.
She's like, I didn't think of that.
Bro, I've seen people take shit on the street over here.
We're not in the Tenderloin.
We'll probably go back just a little.
I love these joggers. Match my shorts.
Do you have poses that you like doing?
Yeah. Inception.
Oh, yeah, the camera just focuses on her. So. Anything is possible. I think you use that.
I for sure would never use that.
It sounds like something.
That's gonna be the theme
I-
for the
this is
next.
Super
shit
pop
saying.
together.
That's gonna be
do.
the theme.
Oh, that's like
clothing
the
drop. Anything is possible.
That's
Yeah.
right. Believe in yourself.
Oh God.
Anything. Anything.
Anything is possible.
Believe in yourself.
You're making me not want to believe.
You know what? You're the first person to ever tell me that.
Sometimes, you know, when you say things like that, it just makes me feel the opposite way. But you're right, man. It is my fault. Everything is completely under my control because of my feelings.
This dude can't speak. Enunciate. Okay? Skills. Real skills.
You have to really hold on to that like that.
Some single arm. I don't know. Something.
Dumbbell rows?
Maybe.
Shit.
That is the dude.
Dude, that's 330 pounds.
And it's gold plated.
It's a gold-plated.
Something Thanos would use.
I want to know how expensive it is.
Oh, that's probably in the thousands.
That's what I want to know.
Easily thousands.
I guarantee you still. Who that?
Fuck you, Ryan.
Look at this ballerina.
You should go in the middle.
All right.
Yeah, I think it is.
I'm not the cherry on top.
Big ass chair.
Well, sure could he's would have, Will.
Oh, no, no. Edward said he can grab it.
Oh. Thanks, Edward.
Yeah. Babe, you gotta stop calling me Edward.
That's what I called you. What should I call you?
Eddie.
Eddie? All right. Oh wait, have Cristiano in the middle.
Composition?
Yeah. You gotta lean a little bit.
Do I look like the Rock in that picture?
Definitely.
I'm gonna take this picture and I'll crop it with him.
Cool.
Cool.
What a good spot.
I like this one better.
You wanna like the camera?
Huh? Pop out even more. Oh, like it's smoky too.
I think it's time to buy another memory card.
Okay, then just down a little bit.
Shoot down?
Yeah, a little bit. One more. One down. There you go. Right there, right there. Stay there, stay there. One.
Well, you can stand right here, and I'll stand over here. Like, I'll take a camera.
It says step back, Ryan. Bro, why you got a problem?
I know. Y'all about to kiss right now?
It'd be like that, homie.
I'm working with this camera.